Ready to ditch that boring default Chrome look and create a browser that's uniquely you. First up, let's tackle themes. Click on those three dots located in the top right-hand corner of your Chrome browser. This opens the Chrome menu. Scroll down and select Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's internal settings. Now, on the left-hand side, find and click on Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks. See the theme option? Click on that. It'll whisk you away to the Chrome Web Store, specifically the theme section. Here, you'll find tons of free themes. Browse around and find one that catches your eye. Click on a theme you like to learn more. Once you've found the perfect theme, click the Add to Chrome button. Boom, your browser's instantly transformed. While you're in the appearance settings, play around with other options like font size, page zoom, and customize the fonts to suit your preferences. Now, for extensions, on the left-hand side of the settings menu, click on Extensions. Extensions are like mini apps that add extra features to Chrome. Head to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it directly in your browser and explore the vast library of extensions. Look for extensions that enhance your productivity, security, or just make browsing more fun. When you find an extension you want, click Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension. And there you have it. Customize Chrome with themes and extensions to make browsing a breeze and tailor it perfectly to your needs. Don't forget to experiment and find what works best for you.